If you are creating a content but not getting engagement from your viewers and subscriber, this is the time to correct those mistakes and get the attentions from your viewers. The first thing which you need to make sure you have used high quality images and graphics, because with the basic, with the simple, you are not going to give the trigger to your viewers and subscriber to give the attention. The second thing which you need to make sure in your content have the simplicity, because if your content is too complicated and people need so much attention to watch that, they are going to skip or they are not going to give any kind of attention. The third thing which you need to make sure is use the high quality color and patterns. You have used proper color and pattern combinations, because if your color is too bright and that is not giving the comfort to the viewer's eye, people are not going to give attention on that. The fourth, which is last but not least, you need to use a story. Don't give gyan, because people are not interested in the gyan. Nowadays, people want a small information with the form of story. So start telling the story with the visual. So I hope you found something unique in this video, and these 4 things you are going to implement in your video content so that you can start getting attentions from your viewers. If you are more interested to learn this, mention interested in the comment box. We'll connect to you and will help you to create a better content for yourself. Thank you so much for watching.